Hello, you join me on a cold March day. Doesn't feel like spring just yet, it's a bit cold today. I am stood, as you will see behind me, in a cereal field crop, but it was spring linseed last year. And what I'm here today is to put out these lovely traps that the John Innes Centre have designed. And it's part of a project to look into the spring linseed flax flea beetle life cycle. As a bit of background, I often get asked, does linseed get flea beetle? And the word flea beetle seems to cover every species out there. So winter linseed doesn't get any flea beetle at all. The spring linseed gets what's called the flax flea beetle, which, as the name suggests, is completely different to any other thing, and it just affects linseed. However, as linseed's a minor crop, there isn't the research out there to know the flax flea beetle's life cycle, where it goes, etc. So we are doing a project with the John Innes Centre to understand this, and what we're doing is we're putting traps out in various locations. Some is in winter linseed crops, some is in near hedges, and some is in previous spring linseed fields to see where they overwinter and what sort of habitats they're like, and also to give us an idea of numbers if that is affected by temperature when they emerge and migrate into the spring linseed crops, etc. So hopefully we will see some exciting results. When the weather warms up, we'll probably see more of them, and hopefully we'll find out where they go and a bit more about their life cycle. We also run numerous trials across the UK. These include variety trials, which currently there's winter linseed in the ground from the south of the UK up to Scotland to test the winter hardiness of winter linseed and to make sure the yield characteristics are susceptible regardless of where they are in the UK. We also have agronomy trials to test replacement desiccants for reglone, and we will currently have in the spring, when we plant spring linseed trials, we will have a in-field agronomy herbicide screen, because we are losing bromoxynil in September 2021 and we need to replace it. And there's a bit of background. Linseed, the pesticides generally are off labels or EMUs, and because it's such a minor crop, there isn't often the background data for us to just go and find another pesticide to get it approved. And the method of getting EMUs is quite complicated, so they expect us to have the same amount of data as you would for a main crop like oilseed rape or wheat. But we cannot generate this, we just don't have the resources. So this means that we have to extrapolate from crops that have oilseed data already on a herbicide such as oilseed rape. So this means essentially that we are restricted on our choice of pesticides. So we'll be trying some oilseed rape herbicides, and hopefully they will show some good results, some good crop safety, and we can use them as part of our herbicide programme to try and reduce the loss of bromoxynil on the crops.